So we're back at D-Scoop, and we're talking with Kevin McVeigh from Strategic Content Imaging, SCI. And we were just having a very interesting conversation about how inkjet and offset can work together. But instead of me prompting you, why don't you just tell this fabulous story?
Okay. So we got involved with a program with Hearst magazines called Project Match. So the magazine is printed offset. This is L magazine.
Okay.
And what we do is we provide an insert or an onsert that gets onserted onto the back of the magazine.
Okay.
So this is...
Is it attached or polybag?
It's polybag.
Okay.
So what happens with this is that it comes down the raceway. You can see this little barcode here.
Yep.
Puts it on cover 4, polybags it, and the inkjetter knows that Kevin McVeigh gets Kevin McVeigh's advertisement.
Because of that barcode on the bottom?
That's correct, yes.
And the inkjet press is reading that barcode?
The binding section.
Oh, the binding thing. Okay, I'm
Yes.
sorry. I got very confused for
That's
a second
okay.
there.
So for instance, quad graphics, they'll read it in the pocket. And when brown printing was separate, they'll read
quad.
it from an overhead camera coming down the raceway. So two different ways of doing it, but basically this barcode tells it, marries it up with the subscriber.
Right.
So what we'll do is we'll get 300,000 subscribers from Hearst, pair them up with a retailer, Maury Pacific in this case, from Neiman Marcus, and we will commingle the list. So we act as Switzerland. Here's Hearst's list, and here's the retailer's list. We get them together, see who's the subscriber, who might be a credit card holder at Neiman Marcus, and try to get a household income verification and a 25-mile radius search of the nearest store to where that person lives. So I'll take all that data, personalize it to the subscriber. Now, remember, any part of this page, either side can be variable and say whatever message you want.
Right.
You can data mine and see what they bought last. Oh, hey, by the way, Jennifer, we have a sale on these products you bought the last time, and really make it interactive and give them an experience. Go into the store because it's all about foot traffic.
Right.
People are taking these ads into the store and say, hey, I like this deal. And it's worked out pretty well.
Right.
So it just goes to show you where an offset world is merging
Right.
with a digital world,
Right.
and we're working in harmony together.
So in this case, did the Hearst reach out to you? Did the offset printer reach out to you? Or did you reach out to both of them and say, this is what we can do?
This is something we developed with HP, Brown Printing at the time. It's now Quad as well, and Hearst. It took us a year and a half to develop, and we brought it to fruition by going to the retailers to say, here's what we can do, and here's how we can measure your ads. So this was something that was collaborative between 3 different companies.
Amazing.
Yeah, so it's amazing where this technology has gone and where it's going as well.
Right. And how involved are you with the data? Are you the one who's making that all happen with
Yes,
the data?
yes.
Wow, that's incredible. I think that's one of the biggest mysteries or fears that a lot of printers out there happen. And most of my audience are commercial printers, so they would actually, it would be awesome for them to get in touch with you to tag your services onto their services and add value to both.
Absolutely.
So how can you help them with data and things like that?
Excuse me.
No problem.
You can contact our website, www.sciimage.com, or you can give me a call at 917-538-7009.
You know this is going on the internet. Your phone number is going to a zillion people now. Maybe we'll edit that out. I'll bleep it.
Okay.
Okay, well, you're choking, so I don't want to take any more of your time, but thank you very much for your time. I really do appreciate it.
You're welcome.